Mothers have always played a pivotal role in molding our lives. Lately, do I realize the fact that they have also been playing a very crucial role in the plot as a character in many books. So, in today's video, we will be discussing 7 such great and lovely mothers in the literature world we need to be celebrating. So, without further delay, let's dive into the video. Firstly, a very happy International Mother's Day to all the cute and the most lovable mothers around the world. My mother was the one who introduced me to the world of literature and to the world of books, and today here I am to be speaking a lot about the books only because of her. So it was from my mother that I have got the very inspiration for making this video. I will be sharing my most lovely mother characters in the last, so make sure you're watching the video till the end. The first in this list takes the place by Molly Weasley from the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. Molly Weasley, who is a mother of 7 children and also out of which 2 of them are identical notorious twins, she always have given a lot of motherly affection to Harry Potter, but also she is a great homemaker. She is a lot more patient and curious character in the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. But nevertheless, we cannot forget the fact that she is the most ferocious and the most fierce character, and the fact that she was the one who killed Bellatrix Lestrange, the daughter of Voldemort, eventually in the book series. So she has to make up the first position in the list of 7 most lovable motherly characters from literature. The second loveliest mother character, which I feel personally very close to my heart, is Raksha from The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, where Mowgli is supposed to be a child abandoned in the forest, and Raksha, who is actually a wolf, takes care of the little Mowgli and helps him to mold him as a great person. She has always been near Mowgli to help him and understand the humanly characters Mowgli possesses, but also she is the most stubborn and fierce character. Like literally she saves Mowgli many a times from Sher Khan, and she also reminds us the fact that she personifies the meaning of her name Raksha, which means protection in Hindi. The third lovely mother character which I think has to be on this list is Sunaina, the mother of Sita from the book Sita, the Warrior of Mithila by Amish Tripathi. The second installment in the Ramchandra series about Sita completely personifies and projects Sita as a great and ferocious warrior. But the fact that Sita could have actually become a warrior is all because of Sunaina, who right from Sita's childhood inculcates into her the very attitude of a warrior. Sunaina, despite being a very calm-going lady and a homemaker but also a queen, she clearly tells Janaka, her husband, to actually take care of all his leadership qualities, but also she settles down the very issue with Kushadwaj, who basically is the brother of Janaka and also is actually turning the very course of the Saraswati river. So she pretty much brings all the peace and prosperity into the kingdom, but also the fact she's a hugely wise lady. She gives all this wisdom to her daughter, that is Sita, and makes her to be the one perfect girl. Despite the fact that Sunaina is not her biological mother, she always have inculcated and considered Sita to be her own child and grows her in a way proper manner. And as we all know about Ramayana, Ma Sita has always been an iconic character from whom we can learn a lot of qualities. And from whom did she all earn this? The answer would be undoubtedly Sunaina. The fourth most lovable motherly character from this list would be Yuvanashva from The Pregnant King. Basically, many people would find this a little confusing and little complex to understand, but the book The Pregnant King by Devdutt Pattanayak basically speaks about a folklore and a story from Mahabharata itself, which was narrated by sage Lomasa to the Pandavas. This story basically is all about Yuvanashva, a king who accidentally drinks a potion or a concoction which was supposed to be getting his 3 wives pregnant. So indeed the king himself becomes pregnant and he eventually gives birth to a baby boy. So this story was pretty much modified and retold in this book The Pregnant King. Though the fact that there has been little magic in the very old story from the Mahabharata, Devdutt Pattanayak has done a stunning job in actually considering it in a very scientific manner. He has explained the pregnancy of a male by telling that it has been a tumor on his left thigh, and from that a fetus has been developing. But the very crux comes here. In this book, there has been elaborate discussion about the parental guidelines and the parental responsibilities which must be shared both by the father as well as the mother. We just cannot put all the load only upon mother and tell that her only responsibility is to rear children. But also, we need to understand the fact that father also plays a very crucial role in the rearing of a child. So, in this book, the discussion takes place between Yuvanashva whether he must be considering himself as a father because he is a male, but as he has given birth to a child, should he be considering himself a female, that is his mother. So, there is a lot of discussion, a lot of confusion, a lot of Dharma Shastra being discussed in this book. But eventually, after reading the whole book, I have come to a conclusion at the fact that I would rather consider Yuvanashva as mother of the baby boy. So I would be happy to include him into this list of most lovable motherly characters in the literature. Moving on to the last three most lovable motherly characters which were my personal favorite. As I have said in the beginning of the video that I will be sharing my most lovable motherly characters at the end, and out of these three, the first one would be Miss Honey from Matilda, who basically in the beginning of the book is actually the teacher of Matilda. This story by Roald Dahl speaks about a girl called Matilda who is having supernatural powers. As such, she can learn a lot of content right in her small age of 5 years. So she has immeasurable cognitive skills and IQ levels. Her parents are always oblivion to the fact that Matilda eventually possesses some such great qualities. They always are oblivion of the fact, and they are most negligible parents I can ever read. Pretty much, Miss Honey is the one who actually takes the first class of Matilda in a school, and she learns the fact that Matilda is such a great, intelligent girl. So she tries to support her in every juncture, and at the end of the book, we come to know the fact that she eventually adopts her. As such, Miss Honey becomes the adoptive mother of Matilda. As her name suggests, Honey, she's really so sweet, really cute, but also the fact she tries to think from their perspectives, and she always have been the greatest support system Matilda could ever get. Second most lovely motherly character out of all the last three which I was supposed to say is Ashima Ganguly from The Namesake. I have spoken a lot about this book on my YouTube channel, but at the matter of fact, Ashima Ganguly is an Indian typical Bengali mother who pretty much rears her children right in the suburbs of America. But I really appreciate how patient, how curious, how cute and how cultural she is. She tries to understand all the aspects of both her children, that is Gogol and as well as Sonia, but she always have been the perfect wife to Ashok, understanding his situation, but she always was an independent woman. Eventually in the book, she works in a library where she understands how beautiful this world is, even despite she being alone in America. So I have always adorned the character of Ashima Ganguly from The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri, and she has to be my most lovable character ever. Coming to the last most important character which we just cannot forget, but this character always gets very least amount of plot line in the book. Like least is being spoken about her, but she plays a most crucial role in this book, and that is again by J.K. Rowling from the Harry Potter series, and that is Lily Evans Potter, the mother of Harry Potter. Her character basically deciphers the fact that a mother's love can actually stretch beyond life also. The love is the one which protects Harry Potter from the very evil villain that is Voldemort, and the fact that Lily's love towards Harry Potter is what makes Harry the chosen one from the Hogwarts. But all the story has to revolve around the love shared by Lily Potter towards Harry. Obviously, the whole Harry Potter series has to be revolving around Harry, and Harry has to be the chosen one only because of Lily Potter. So that's all, guys. These were 7 most loved motherly characters out of the books which I have read till date. If you would have read any more books which had lovable motherly characters, don't forget to mention them in the comment section below so that I can come across some of the greatest book recommendations. So till the next video, take care, put your masks up, and a very happy Mother's Day yet again. Take care. Bye bye.